while these things were being done, with one legion having been sent to gather grain, as usual, one legion which was called the 7th, and with no suspicion, no suspicion of war introduced at that time, since part of the men were remaining in the fields, part also was coming and going into the camp. Those who were in station in front of the gates of the camp announced to Caesar that a larger dust cloud than custom would bring was seen in the part into which part of the legion had traveled. Caesar, having suspected that which was, that some new plan had been entered by the barbarians, what did he do? He ordered the cohorts which were at their post to set out in that direction with him. Two of the others to take their place, to follow them, to take their place at their post, and for the others to be armed and to immediately follow him. When he had proceeded a little farther from the camp, he noticed that his guys were being pressed by the enemy, and they were barely sustaining it. And with the legion crowded together, or closely packed, spears were being thrown from all directions. Because with all the grain having been harvested from the remaining parts, there was one part left. Because of that, the enemies, having suspected that our guys would come here, had hid at night in the forests. Then, having suddenly attacked those busy in gathering grain, scattered with their weapons set down, after putting down their weapons, with a few having been killed, they had disturbed the rest with their ranks being disorganized. At the same time, they had surrounded them with cavalry and chariots.